Hi guys, this is Herzu from Parent Raising a Different Kid. I'm doing this video from Madagascar, the island of the Indian Ocean, and I am here based, I'm doing it from a nice place called Next A, which is kind of one place for entrepreneurs here in Antananarivo, Madagascar. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the One Away challenge. I've been talking a lot about it on my podcast. By the way, if you don't have access to the podcast, you can go to anchor.fm/PRDK. So I'm going to show you what I'm considering as a life transforming tool that I've been given. This is one of the best training that I've been through when it comes to doing some businesses online. So this is the kit. So the purpose of the video is to show you what's inside, because I guess you've been on the websites, and this is for real. I have just received it, and maybe I started the challenge on October, but I only got this box maybe 2 months later. And to be frank with you, I was so absorbed into practicing what I've learned that I forgot that I have to do some unboxing for this kit. So today I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and I'm going to share some experience also about how I lived that 30-day challenge for the One Funnel Away challenge. So this is it, the box. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, I don't know how to show it to you, but anyway, let's open it. So it's very well packed. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I can do this. I don't know. Anyway, this is kind of fun. So inside I have I guess this is the MP3 player. So inside the MP3 player, there's no headphones, but anyway, inside the MP3 player, we have all the recordings of the first One Funnel Away challenge. Just so you know it, I think they are doing it every 3 or 2 weeks. They have a cohort. So from my cohort, I think we've been around 900 people doing the challenge. And I gotta tell you that it's really energizing. Oh, let me take this off. It's really energizing, and it lays the foundations of doing the online businesses. So this, you can take it if you are a kind of sporty person. You can take it while you're running. As you can see, I'm not that really sporty, but anyway, I have to transfer the content maybe and get it going. So this is really interesting. So even if you've done the challenge, you can still listen to all the advices that Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan, and Stephen Larsen have been giving during all this process. And then again, let me give you the other things. So I also have this book, which is the Tucumã Club Coaching. So in case you don't know it yet, the Tucumã Club is people that have done $1 million in sales through One Funnel. Remember, when we're talking about the One Funnel challenge, there's a motto that says you're only one funnel away. You're one funnel away. So this is the coaching that you can see inside. These are the guys that have been, it's presenting how it works if you are going into the Tucumã Club, which is the goal. So we want to be inside this Tucumã Club and go way further, way more further than that. And then this is just a little slide, a little piece of sheet that just tells you that you've been paying maybe $100. I think it's $100 for the One Funnel Away challenge if you want to do it. And this sheet just tells you how you can recoup that price, because if you promote the One Funnel Away challenge, so if someone else buys the One Funnel Away challenge through you, then you get the $100 commission.
it is kind of good incentive, and that's why also I'm doing that video. But anyway, that's not the only purpose of this. And then this is the workbook. You remember when you go to school, you have some workbook, you have some exercise to do. Just for your information, when I did the One Funnel Away challenge, I spent almost maybe 2 hours and a half hours per day doing the challenge. So I had to wake up at 4 a.m. and do whatever I could do, and then resume in the evening so that I can do all the exercises. Because, for example, maybe most of the videos that Russell is presenting every day, maybe it's around 14 minutes. Julie may have maybe 20 minutes, but then the guy, Stephen Darcy, hands up to you. Sometimes he have 50 minutes videos just explaining you the experiences, sharing you the experiences. So it's really interesting for you to do that. So this is the workbook. Every day, you should have the PDF version. Well, luckily enough, so it's really visual. So it explains you all the process, and then it gives you all the worksheets. So it's like you're doing the exercise, like you're back to school. So this is quite interesting. And as you can see, you can work on it, or you can work on the PDF version if you only bought the digital version of the One Funnel Away challenge. But it's always good to have the physical copy of the One Funnel Away box. And then last, I think it's the last one. Yeah, the last one. This is the I think it's the 30 days book. I'm showing you what's inside. This is a pure gem. A pure gem because this is a 550 pages book. The 30 days. So inside this book, you'll find a lot of advices because Russell Brunson went to his Tucumã Club members, so the guys who already made $1 million through one channel, and he asked a simple question. That simple question was, if you suddenly lose everything, what will you do in 30 days to get up and running your businesses? So inside this book, you'll find the answers. And even for this only, I think it's way worth the $100 that you'd pay for the One Funnel Away challenge. So, let's say, for example, here, I just took one page. So day 12, what would the guy do? So you have all the days, what they will do on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 19. So you have all those guys who have done it already. So it's always good to follow the paths of people who have already done this. And you've got a lot of examples here. And go through the book and see what resonates with you. And follow the paths that they have already taken. And you can do this. So within the One Funnel Away challenge, that's the box that we have inside. And I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I did when doing the One Funnel Away challenge. So, just to give you some ideas of what's inside. This One Funnel challenge includes the MP3 player with all the recordings from the thirst challenge. You have the 30-day book. That's it. You have the workbook so that you can do the exercises, and then you have this tip for getting back the $100 that you've invested and getting more, because if you only promote this One Funnel Away challenge program, you can make maybe 100. Some guys say you can make $100 per day, because if you only have one guy who joined the program per day, then that's already a good, nice income that you can have. And then, as you know, Russell Brunson, he already does some upsells. So this is an upsell. This is the Tucumã Club coaching program. So once you get into the Tucumã Club, he has some coaching so that you can get to maybe doing 10 millions or more than $10 millions in sales through this Tucumã Club and through the Inner Cycle circle that he is proposing. So that's for today, and I hope you join the program and enjoy it as much as I did. And feel free to join the program through the link that I'll be putting below on this video. And that's for today. And I'm telling you, see you at the other side of the program. Bye.